Hello, good day. This is Rejoice, and welcome to our weekly analysis. Okay, so we're looking at GBPUSD. Last week I told you all that it was going to go up, sweep liquidity, which is here, before it started going down. So yes, as you can see, it started going up, and we even had to enter a trade on it in the free analysis group. Let me show you what we did. When it started going up, I then saw a POI, and then I marked it, and that POI did exactly as I marked it. Then I saw an opportunity to re-enter. So this was the trade I sent to the free analysis group, and as you can see, it got to our POI and went straight to TP. Although I personally closed at 1:4 RR, so I opened about 2 positions on this, so I didn't want to monitor the charts again, and then I closed up. But this was about a 1.55, okay, and this hit TP. Now, even as it hit TP, it has not still swept the liquidity. Look at the liquidity here. So we're looking at 1.34832. So anything above this, you can sell. Okay, anything when it goes above this, you can sell. So it's now left for us to, look for our POIs where we can possibly take this sell. Okay. So on the daily time frame, this is areas that I will mark. I already have this area that I marked. And this particular zone that I marked. So I'm still watching it. If it gets there and then gives me a reversal concept, then I would enter. Then I also have another POI here. So I will just mark some other POIs here. I'll just mark some other POIs here. Then I also have another POI here. I'll be waiting for reversal concepts in each of these POIs. Whichever gives me a reversal concept, then I would take a sell. So this is my bias for GBPUSD. Remember to follow our free analysis group so that you can get, whenever it gets to my POI and gives me a reversal concept, I would share my own analysis and share my trade there so that you too can benefit from the sale. All right. So for EURUSD, same thing I told you, same as last week, that it was going to go up and sweep this liquidity. Okay. So we're waiting for it to sweep this liquidity. I have a zone I have marked already, this zone. So when it gets here and gives me a reversal concept, I will take a sell. Okay. And then even any point above this liquidity, you can take a sell, depending on where you want to put your SL. But I have points I've already marked out that I will wait to see how it reacts on those zones and then take my sell. Okay. I also wanted to take a buy from last week, because when he was buying, I had an opportunity to take a buy, but it missed my entry. And I also saw the reason why it did miss my entry. But nevertheless, there are more entries, more opportunities in the market available. So if you want to get other analysis that I'll be sharing, my free analysis group is open. Follow, subscribe to my channels, click on the link in my bio, and you can get the TEPS course so that you understand exactly the strategy that I trade, which is the TEPS, the Trading Edge Profitable Strategy. You will understand exactly what I trade, how I trade it. And this is one of the most affordable Forex courses out there. All right. Thank you so much. Bye.